Welcome back to Ask the Lawyer. I'm your host, Brenda Teal. Here answering your legal questions today are personal injury attorneys Manuel Green and Daryoush Toofanian from the Rad Law Firm. Just call the number that you see in your screen. It's 888-341-5522, or email your question to askthelawyer@radlawfirm.com. Real easy. askthelawyer@radlawfirm.com. Okay, phone lines are open. 888-887-9521. Kara from Mount Pleasant. What's your question?
Yes, I have a question. Can a law firm drop my case to pick up my ex-husband's case?
Interesting question. Thank you, Kara, for your call.
The short answer is yes, but you got to find out why they did that, and it's also important to get quick representation shortly thereafter. We see that happen a lot when there's two people involved in a car accident and they're related, and one is driving and the other one is a passenger. And then the passenger will have a claim against the driver, and the law firm will be conflicted from representing both of them at the same time. So the simple answer is yes, and you need to get a lawyer quick to represent your rights against whoever the liable party is.
All right, 888-887-9521. A person writes in that she was in an accident last week and told police and the other driver that she was okay. Now, a week later, she says her neck and back have really started hurting. Can I still file for a personal injury claim? And I'm sorry, that's Mike in Fort Worth. Thank you for your email question, Mike.
Absolutely, Brenda. This is actually a very common occurrence. Somebody's in a car accident, and on the day of the accident, at the scene of the accident, adrenaline's rushing through the body. I'm nervous. I don't know what to do. So with that adrenaline rushing through your body, you might not feel that neck pain. You might not feel that back pain. So the next morning you wake up, you have stiffness, you have soreness, and guess what? I don't know what to do. I didn't tell anybody I was hurt. I didn't tell the police officer I was hurt. Don't worry about it. Seek medical treatment. Hire a lawyer so they can protect your rights. But absolutely not a problem, even a week later. But you want to make sure to get yourself to a doctor because you want to make sure to get yourself checked out and have that evidence of your injury.
I've heard stories before, Manuel, of people settling their lawsuit, and then a week later, now they're really in pain, but the case is settled. Is there anything a person like that can do?
Unfortunately, insurance companies are quick, right? They understand that this is a common occurrence. And you have to be very careful. There's no reason to rush when you're in a car accident. Don't sign a release. Don't let the insurance companies come after you and make you sign that release for a quick $500 or $1,000. Make sure you protect your rights. Make sure you get the medical treatment you need so down the road you don't have any further problems.
Yeah, that's right. A lot of people just don't know what to do, and then they make a terrible mistake in the moment. 888-887-9521. We have a question